If you want to activate Gemini on OnePlus 15, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. For example, we have the Gemini app on the home screen. We should be able to find it quite easily. It should be pre-installed. So of course we can go over here and you should be able to quickly access the Gemini menu. Now, besides that, we can also use the power button, at least by default. If you press and hold the power button, then you can activate the digital assistant. In that case, it is Google, and you can say something out loud to Gemini in order to do something with it. And if it doesn't work, if you, for example, open the power menu instead, then you can open settings. And over here in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the accessibility and convenience. And then in here, we're gonna scroll down in order to find the power button. And in here we have press and hold the power button, so you want to make sure that digital assistant is selected over here. Besides that, in the main menu of settings, if you go to system and update, then we can choose system navigation. You should be able to find the digital assistant from Google, which is a swipe gesture. We can swipe from the bottom left and bottom right corner inwards in order to also activate Gemini. And last but not least, if we open the app, for example, and if you tap on your profile in the upper right corner, then we can go to settings, and you should be able to find the talk to Gemini hands-free. So you can set up Hey Google voice recognition, which means that you will be able to just say Hey Google out loud in order to activate Gemini. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.